athlete who's also benefiting from Qatar's investment in sports is high jumper Mutaz Essa Barshim. Since putting state-of-the-art facilities and coach Stanley Stanislav at his disposal, this rising star has come on in leaps and bounds.
طبعا دخلت الرياضة من بداية كانت في نادي الريان الرياضي. كنت ألعب أول شيء الجري، بعدين حولني الكابتن للوثب، كان الوثب الطويل والعالي، فأنا كنت أحب الوثب العالي أكثر من الوثب الطويل، تخصصت فيه، يعني شفت نفسي أحسن فيه وتخصصت في الوثب العالي.
Barshim's Swedish coach believes the high jumper can go even further by doubling his already tough determination. And Barshim himself has confidence in his own ability to achieve an Olympic medal, maybe even gold.
أعتقد أن حلم كل رياضي أن الأولمبياد توصل أولمبياد، الحمد لله أن تأهلت، شكر رب العالمين طبعا، وإن شاء الله نحاول أدي قدر ما أقدر في الأولمبياد.
Coach Stanislav has more than high hopes for his young protege.
We are talking about gold, not one medal.
Yeah, he's talking. I tell him now. Okay,
yes,
about gold. Any medal.
He's talking about medal.
Yeah.
I'm talking about gold.
Gold. Okay, كابتن بالذهبية إن شاء الله.
This talented high jumper's performance is sure to raise the bar of Qatar's sporting profile. And gold or not, all of the competing Qatari athletes will represent their country proudly, which could go